Okay guys, here's the video for Sarah's mini for the silver bars. We got live at 12:07, 12:07, 12:07. Okay, starts with Jim. All the way down 50 spots to Zane. Roll 2 dice, no snake eyes. 3 and a 2, 5. It's 12:08. 12:08. 3 and a 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now it's Ronnie with a 16 spot. We have 50 items. We've gone 4 times. It's 12:08, 40 seconds. 12:08, 40 seconds. Show the dice. 3 and a 2 is 5. Last time, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Jim, 3 spot. 50 items. Jim Campow on top. We went 5 times. Jim with the 3 spot. 5 times. 12:09. 12:09. Congratulations, Jim. 12:09.